So if you're concerned about SIDS like every other parent, then you've probably looked into a baby box. I live in the state of Ohio, so I got one for free. When I first opened it, the thing that piqued my curiosity the most was the mattress. How thick it was, how dense it was, what the cover was like. So you can kind of see what comes with it. And I looked at the baby box website, and you can look at the materials, but I don't think you get a firm grasp for what they're actually like. So the purpose of this video is to show you maybe some better shots of what actually is going into the box. Now the mattress is actually fairly dense. It has a cover that wraps around. It goes around more than you think it would. But the mattress itself is very lightweight. You can see that, and it's very thin. And again, it's dense. It is a very dense mattress for its thinness. As far as the box is concerned, I mean, this is nothing more than just a heavyweight cardboard box with a smooth finish that locks together and holds very well. Now, the real magic of this whole box is the way the mattress actually fits in it, but I'll get to that in a second. First, let's talk dimensions. The length of the box is 26.5 inches wide, while the depth with no mattress is about 11.5, and the width is just about 16.5. The thing that I found to be the most safe about the baby box was how snug the mattress actually fit in the box. It didn't feel like it could easily be pulled up. To be honest, it gave me a sense of safety knowing that it's just my child in the box, no blanket, no nothing. And with this type of simplicity, there's not many things that can go wrong. Nothing's 100% foolproof. My son was a stomach sleeper. I felt comfortable with it. It worked, and I recommend it. If you're interested, look at babyboxuniversity.com for more information. I have no affiliation with them. The one thing I would say is that it depends on what state you live in, but there are certain states that are giving this away for free if you're having a child.